Hope you're shooting.
I am. He's looking back.
Look at him. Look at his paws going.
I got a video going here. Yeah, anxious. Probably wants to jump up that tree. And might do it too.
Yeah. Oh, look at the paws going.
That squirrel says you aren't getting me.
Yeah.
That squirrel's way up there. See him turning around, he's giving a warning.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's gonna happen here? The dang dishwasher noise. Maybe you could shut it off so we don't hear this in the video. I knocked on the window and I turned around and looked at us. I got that on the video. That was kind of neat. What? What's so funny?
It's funny.
Doesn't seem to mind. I'm looking through the window
No.
at him and I knocked on it. It just turned around real quick and
He watches this all the time.
looking for a squirrel running across the street here.
So
But that other squirrel, that squirrel in the tree over here, he's let out the warning though, man. They all know. Ever since they cut down this lot here, I think it's been hard pickings for the bobcats. No? He's gonna get him. That squirrel's gonna do something stupid. Yeah, you can't see him behind that tree. He's doing one eye. Uh-oh, he's gonna go across. Danger lurking, boy, I'll tell you. He's gonna jump. He's on the ground. Holy cow. This is unbelievable. The Cardinal's over there talking to him. That Cardinal sees that Bobcat. It was kind of weird that flying over there to like tell him or something. Uh-oh. He wanted to come over to the bird feeder. Uh-oh. This looks bad. There he goes. He missed him. I got it on video too. Wow. He just missed him. Well, I got it on video. He missed him. But he didn't miss him by much. He's still behind that tree down there. Holy cow. He's walking away now in disgust. I didn't get any breakfast.